In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about chat widget on Go Highlevel. So first of all, we go to Sites and Chat Widget to enable this feature. So by default, it will be disabled. When you click Enable Chat Bubble, that's when a chat bubble is enabled on your website if it is built on Go Highlevel. Otherwise, you have to go at the bottom and get the embed code to enable this on your WordPress sites. So we will be talking about enabling chat bubble on high-level websites. So when you click enable, this gets enabled automatically. So this is the intro message, more like a welcome message. When you are on the website, you can see the chat bubble with this message popping up. If you want to change that, you can change it from here, and this is where you update the chat widget image like this. If you have your logo, you can update that here, and then you can enable a custom greetings so that when a visitor comes back, when this is a identifiable visitor who has given us their name and email or phone number, when they come back, the message would say welcome back, name, how can we help today, instead of hi there, how can we help. This message will be different for them. You can enable it or disable it, up to you. Now there are two main chat types, which is very important to understand. So by default, it would be SMS or email chat. In this case, what we would be able to collect the SMS number and email number. In SMS or email chat, we can collect the mobile number and email, and all they can do is send us a message. And when they send that, we will receive the message, and the admin can reply either through SMS or via email. So this is not a live chat setup. This is, you send a message and then you get a reply later, either by automation or by manual action. But if you have enough staff and you have the capacity to run a live chat 24/7, you can turn this live chat option on, and then it would say, instead of email and SMS, we can start a conversation straight away. So enter your questions below and the representative will get right back to you. So that's the main difference between live chat and SMS or email chat. Now we are going to set live chat up and see what else we can do. Now if you go to widget window, this is where you make your widget on brand. You can have a question and it will appear here, and enter your question below and representative will get right back to you. Would be for the live chat, and if you toggle this on, email field appear when it is email and SMS chat. You can toggle on email or not. So if you toggle this email on, you would see an extra field to capture email as well. So these are the text intro messages and such for each of the chat types, and this is where you can adjust the color of your widget. And if you go to live chat, you would get more options. You can see the live chat. As soon as the live chat is assigned, you get this message, give us a minute to assign the best person to help you out. And then there are a couple of more options, fallback option and chat close due to inactivity. So fallback is that if the user is not responding within, say, 2 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, let's keep it 5 minutes. In that case, after 5 minutes, they get this message saying that it look like you're taking too long, please leave your contact details, we'll get back to you shortly. And if they do not do anything for example like 15 minutes, we can close the chat due to inactivity, and we can send this message chat closed due to user inactivity. So these are the settings for live chat. And then if you go to acknowledgement settings, this is where you can add certain text message for acknowledging each of the actions. So you could just say, thank you for acknowledgement greetings, and for acknowledgement message, one of your team members will contact you shortly. These are for SMS and email chat, and if it is a live chat, you have these options. So once you are done, click save. Now we have set up live chat, and when we go to our website, if it is loads correctly, or sometimes live chat takes a minute or two. Yeah, now this is on live chat. We can start sending a message, and then at the back end we will receive that message. So now let's go back to automations and see how we can trigger live chat. So I'm in automation, and you can see here add a new trigger. So we go and select customer replied. So you select reply channel, and then you can see here you have the chat widget and live chat. So if you're dealing with SMS, email, chat, you select chat widget. So if a contact replies in that chat widget, you can trigger this workflow using this setting. But we are looking at live chat. Now, when a customer replied via live chat, and you can add more filters if you want. You could say contains a certain phrase or not, or exact match phrase, but we are not looking into that for now. So if someone replies through live chat, we need to trigger other actions. So one main action we could do is we can actually send a live chat message back to the customer. So whatever we type here would be shown to the customer, right? So I'll show you an example. You said, and then we go here. We are going to send the same message back to the customer, just to show you how it works. Now we make it publish, and we set it allow re-entry and save. And we go here, we just refresh this to make sure everything's working fine. And this is where we say, hi, how are you? As soon as you type that in, one of the message we set in the settings page will come. Give us a minute to assign you a best person to help you out. And then you said, hi, how are you? So you can see we can actually capture the message that is sent to us, and now we can actually use that on a ChatGPT action. For example, if you go to ChatGPT action, and we need to generate a response from the message body. So your name is username, you are helpful, creative, clever, and friendly assistant, generate a best response email. So instead of that, generate a best response in under 20 words to a site visitor for the below message. And when you select this, and we select, instead of message body, we are going to send back the ChatGPT response. And when you click save, the prompt is not the best prompt, so you can't expect a great result from this prompt, but still This will show you how live trigger along with ChatGPT works. So we go and ask, hey, how is the weather today? Let's see what's happening. The weather today is sunny with high of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy your day. Not too bad for a basic prompt. So this is how you can actually set up a live chat widget which actually works on AI and in a very simple way. So if you improve your prompt here, you could actually get better results, but I wouldn't say this is the best setup because anyone can exploit this. You would incur a lot of cost connected with ChatGPT if you keep it as it is, but you get an idea how you can use the customer reply on a live chat trigger to your chat widget and how you can. So this is how the chat widget works, both live and SMS or email chat widget. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.